Exercise 3. Living in London. Listen to the talk and write down the prices in the boxes provided.
London has been called the most expensive city in the world, though like all other cities, if you know your way around, you can always find lower prices that people normally pay. Transport is expensive compared with other places. The minimum bus fare is 40 pence. This is only for about a kilometer's ride. If you want to go further, you have to pay more. The fares on the Underground are the same. The minimum fare is 50 pence, and if you want to go more than 2 or 3 stations, it costs more. The minimum taxi fare is £2. If you want to go out of London, you can take a coach. It is the easiest and most economical way to travel around London by coach. A coach fare is about £1.20.